If y'all haven't already, make sure y'all go subscribe to my main channel, bro. It's hella bangers over there. And if y'all do not follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram and shoot me a DM. I'll probably respond. No cap. On the fucking windshield in the rain. You know what I'm saying? When I did it, I was in my garage, so I wasn't thinking. But it's all good because y'all can hear the supercharger better this way. I think I'm going the wrong way. I am. Fuck, I gotta turn. Damn. I ain't gonna cap, bro. This sucks, bro. This sucks just due to the fact that I can't see now. I wasn't thinking when I did this shit, man. And now I'm mad, but it's all good, man. Fuck it. It is what it is. What do you say? It is what it is. Oh, now I can go straight. Bro, what's up with this GPS, bro? Fuck, man. This GPS telling me to do some dumbass shit, and I'm getting angry. Let's see if I can beat these cars. Fuck, man. That's why I need a hawk. I need a damn hawk, but I would've just went around there smooth as fuck. I don't need to be driving in the rain, but I don't know if y'all can hear the supercharger better out there. Let me see if I can make the supercharger whine real quick. It's like the hardest shit ever, bro. I can't see. There's hella raindrops on the windshield. Hold on, I'm about to give y'all a view of my damn view, because this shit is crazy. I'm about to give y'all a... Fuck, I can't even do that. Damn, my phone is on the thing. Fuck! This has got to be the most stupidest thing I've ever done. But this for y'all, so I love y'all. Y'all know I love y'all, so. And I hope y'all can hear the supercharger better. If I did all this for nothing, I'm gonna cry. I ain't gonna lie. I need those antlers in that red nose thing. Come on, traffic, go. Spinning. See how much traffic it is up there, bro? I need to get over. I know this transmission didn't just go back in street. Oh my gosh. Turn the fuck up, man. That's why I need a fucking truck. I do need some hard ass shit, bro. Damn. Y'all are watching this from Atlanta. Do you think it's gonna snow this year? Let me know. Y'all think it's gonna snow? I'm about to spend like a bitch. I already know I'm about to spend like crazy. Everybody got their windshield wipers on. Oh, it must be so nice to fucking see. I can't. But that ain't nobody's fault but mine. I take full responsibility of my actions. And I'm out here on the fucking highway, so I don't know if that's gonna make it better or worse. But if I can't see, I'm gonna pull the fuck over. But I got good eyesight, so I probably will be able to see. And I honestly think it will be better. But we finna find out. Damn, big Tonka bus. Beep beep. Why the hell is my car running hot, bro? It's cold outside. I know when I get on the highway, it's gonna be better. And I can see now. I just sped up a little bit. Yeah, I'm glad I'm not going through that traffic. Highway talking about? Fuck, it's traffic. God damn it. It had to be fucking traffic, bro. God damn. Fucking hate Atlanta. Come on, man, get that stupid ass Fusion out the way, bro. Now I gotta get over, bro. Trying to get the big boat over. Big Hermes, the big Redeye, and this shit is terrible. I can't fucking see it. Oh, I'm getting in this hub lane. Fuck the bullshit. I don't give a fuck. Bro, I can't see. Bro, I literally can't see. Imagine driving through this with no fucking windshield wipers, bro. I can't see. Fuck is this nigga on? I hate when people get behind me and do dumb shit. Yes, please get over. Get over. But y'all see this bullshit? Like I said, I mean, the niggas in the most bullshit ass cars trying to keep up with niggas and shit. Man, slow your ass down. When you hit somebody, bitch, it's raining. Stupid ass nigga. You not about to get in front of me. You not about to get in front of me. Hell nah. Bitch, your dumb ass doing all that shit just to be in the back again. Stupid ass nigga. Fuck them. Lame ass nigga. All that shit for what, nigga? You not Dom Toretto. Relax. It's not bad not using your windshield wipers on the highway. Man, it ain't bad as I thought it would be. I don't know why, but in Atlanta for the last 5-6 days, it's just been raining. Like, fuck. Stop fucking raining, man. Damn. It's like raining shit for the fucking birds. In the grass. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, I thought that nigga was gonna slam on brakes. I got scared. Oh shit. Cause I know I ain't gonna be able to stop on time. Fuck. This camera don't do justice. I'm a lot closer to these cars than you think. video of me driving the rain. This shit's scary. I'm spinning all across the goddamn road. I'm spinning. There you go again. Lame man, nigga. Come out. That nigga big gone. Oh, what's up with these little cars, bro? These little niggas zooming in the goddamn. There's another one behind me. I think it's a cop in front of this car that I'm in front of, so I don't want to cross over, but I might gotta get the fuck over. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna have to get over. My exit coming up in a mile. Yeah, man, fuck the bullshit. I gotta get over. Fuck all that. Hey! What is you doing? Hell is you doing? Stupid bitch. Oh my god, now you wanna break. Dumbass bitch. A bitch in a fucking Sonata. Should've known. Should've known that bitch can't drive. Hell is you doing? Which way did I go? Which way I gotta go? Fuck, this GPS not telling me the right shit. Woo! I gotta get back over. Woo! This cat in the rain is dangerous! Sucky long time. But they go that goddamn Hyundai. Alright, nigga, fuck you. Woo! Ew. Oh, this shit dangerous as fuck. Oh no. Oh, I'm turning. You gotta feather the fucking gas, bro. Oh my god, this shit's scary as hell. I can remember the last time I drove in the rain. I just been riding with my homeboys all this time. Fuck all this. I be riding with the track boys, man. Fuck all this rain. It rain and shit for the birds. Hydroplane. I'm only doing 70. Only doing 70s, crazy. And now we are safe. City of Doraville. I hope I said that. Damn. Boy, this cat in the rain is no hold, bro. Y'all gotta be careful if y'all get one of these bitches. Scat packs too. RTs, all that. V6s. Now, I don't know about a V6, but something with that 8-cylinder, boy, you gotta be careful in the rain, bro. And if you on good tires, you ain't got to trip. Or if you got a goddamn all-wheel drive V8, like the RT Max, and you straight. But them cat boys. So here's my thing, right? This is my thing. If you put it in the street, you probably won't spin out, even though it's very, very, very possible. Every time I drive, I got traction on. So I'm right now in the rain doing 70. I had no traction on whatsoever. So that just be me. So I be over. It might seem like over exaggerating, like, man, this nigga doing too much. No, literally, like, I be having my traction on. Come on, you stupid ass nigga. My window getting foggy as fuck. Bitch ass shit out the way, boy. That's how y'all got fucked over last time. Get shit about the way. I guess I can wrap this video up. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man, so I can goddamn see again. My destination is over here, so I love y'all boys. Catch y'all in the next motherfucking video. Go!